This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. And guys, it is November 14th, 2018. This one here I gotta go clean a burner. It's I think it's a weil mclain burner. Weil mclain boiler with an NX Beckett burner on it. I believe that's what's there. I'm going over there now and give it the once over, see what's going on with it. I've worked on it before. It's that NX, Beckett NX burner, which I'm not a big fan of that, but it is what it is. We'll try to get you some shots when I get there. It's one of them NX burners, not the greatest thing, but I'm gonna change the nozzle. Check the oil flow. Make sure it's okay. It's one of them NX burners. I wouldn't want it in my house. We'll open it up, see what it looks like inside there. Hopefully it's running clean. Hopefully it's running clean. Yeah, she's fine. She's not dirty at all in there. She's not dirty at all in there, so that's good. She's clean. It's running clean, so that's good. Put it back together. Last time I was here, change that filter. Let's see what we're getting for oil flow. We'll get a good flow, we'll leave it alone. I think right on top is where it needs to be. Let me check it. On the bottom, see? Holes on the bottom. So we spin it to the bottom. to see when it's running. Spin it to the bottom there, you'll be able to see the flame. When you're done, you just spin it. Alright. Stubble. Alright, I jumped out a couple of those controls over there, so the boiler should fire. We'll check the oil flow here, see what we got for oil flow. See if we gotta change that filter. Other guys will just change the filter, but I like to check them. If they're not dirty, I usually just leave it. I guess I'm different. I guess I'm different than most. I guess I'm different than most. Hello, can I help you?
This is an important message. Do not hang up the phone. Your business listing may be at risk of showing incorrectly or not at all on Google. We have tried numerous times to contact you by telephone so we can check the status of your listing. This will only...
I'm on the top of Google. What are they talking about? Flipping scammers. Flipping scammers. Not the best burner in the world, I'll tell you right now. I'm a big fan of it. Better off with a Riello than this thing. But what they call an NX burner. The old NX. Looks like it's running clean. The head's nice and clean, you see it? That's a 45-degree nozzle they got in there. 1 gallon, 45. That's how house is like way out in the sticks, so really not easy to get to. These flipping crazy electrodes. They all try to reinvent the wheel with this crazy shit, you know? I'm not a big fan of this burner, but it is what it is. It's gutted in here. Much rather see a yellow in here, but oh well. Thing's been running clean, so we'll leave it alone, right? Why play with something if it's running good? You'll hear the saying, if you want to find trouble, you look for trouble, you're gonna find it. A lot of truth to that. Thing's running good, leave it alone. Change the nozzle and try to be a superhero and you're going to get yourself in trouble. That's the truth. Superhero. Now with the cover on it, we'll start it and we'll see how it runs. Tester from Value Testers sent it to me to try out the demo. Insight Plus, it's a nice unit. Got a printer and everything with it, so. Number 2 oil. See the CO2 at 10. Right around 12, you're going to be getting close to smoke. So if I wanted to, it's running lean right now at 10. So if I cut the air band back, I could bring that CO2 up to probably 11 or 12 or so, and efficiency would come up a little bit. But it's running clean. Probably just going to leave it right where it is. But it is running lean at 10.2 CO2. It's running lean and mean. I'm gonna try out this back rack, see how I like it. Comes with a printer. It's got a little on off on the side here. Hopefully I didn't burn the batteries out. Print. Alright guys, I gotta go in there and set up the date and stuff on that combustion analysis meter, but it's nice. It's a nice readout, nice printer. I'm gonna run it and see how I like it. So far I like it. New nozzle, good oil flow, combustion test. Today's the 14th, so he's good to go. We're getting a good oil flow. He's played around with this before, that's what that oil's from. I don't know why, he probably unscrewed that or something, I don't know. But it's a weil mclain. Got a lot of radiant heat in here and stuff, and it is what it is. Old farmhouse.